you have to make sure to know if you have a open rear end or a posi traction or similar kind of rear end. If you have a posi traction rear end, both wheels are going to spin at the same speed. So you would want to jack up both sides. To test this, first of all, you're always going to want to put the car in neutral and then jack up both ends if you're unsure if it's a posi traction or not. This Pontiac here is not a posi traction, so it has an open rear end and only one wheel is going to spin. So instead of having someone hold that end, we're just going to have one end on the ground and one in the air. As you can see there, I need to mark this. A little bit of chalk. That's good enough. And let's do it on here too. You can do it on the drum itself, or if you do it with the wheel on, you could just put a piece of tape on the paint and a piece of tape on the wheel. If you have a posi traction rear end, you are going to spin the wheel one time and count how many times it spins at the yoke there. But if you have an open rear end, you're going to spin this 2 times and measure how many times it spins over there. For me, it just passed 1. Okay, now I'm at 2. Well, how am I supposed to tell with without the marking lined up? Well, let's just do a little more forward. Okay, now these are lined up, and you can see my mark is about right here and here. I'm gonna guess, based off what came in these cars, it's gonna be a 273 because it turned 2 and nearly 3/4 of a turn at the differential.